Hey guys, just a short little video on the 100 Thieves Cash App Cash card. So for those of you who don't know, in the Cash app, there was a special 100 Thieves edition Cash App Cash card, and it did cost $5 with free shipping, but you obviously got this cool 100 Thieves version of the cash card. So it actually shipped in this cool bubble envelope with the 100 Thieves geography pattern. I thought that was cool. It's a nice black and white packaging. And then here is the box that the card itself comes in. It's kind of like red-orange with the 100 Thieves logo on top. You get 100 Thieves Cash App on the side and the Cash App branding on the other side. So let's take a look at the card itself. Dang, that is nice. Obviously you can see my cash tag and that nice reflective 100 Thieves logo. Definitely the coolest debit card I'll have in my wallet. Obviously I'm not going to show you the other side, but yeah, it's also a little Cash App logo in foam on the bottom of the box. And that's one of my favorite quotes. I love this quote so much. Take what's not given from 100 Thieves. That's what it means to be a thief. I love that quote so much. And yeah, it's just more of the box, some info on the card. So yeah, it's a really nice card. You know, you got your cash tag in gloss black, and then the 100 Thieves logo. I'm not too sure if the camera can really pick it up, but it's metallic, so it's kind of flashy. But yeah, otherwise the rest of the card is matte black, and you got the standard Cash App stuff. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Follow me on my socials, and I'll catch you in the next one.